Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is not something to hide anymore. It is natural, elegant and very stylish. Many women over 50 are now proudly showing their grey hair. The right haircut can make you look fresh, modern and confident. Let's start with the first haircut idea. The first style is the short pixie cut. A pixie cut is very easy to manage. It is perfect if you want a low maintenance hairstyle. This cut makes your face look brighter and younger. It also gives volume on the top, which is great if your hair is getting thinner. You can style it quickly in the morning with just a little cream or spray. The second idea is the layered bob haircut. A bob cut is always in fashion. For grey hair, soft layers makes it look more natural and full. The length can be just below the chin or touching the shoulders. This style is perfect for women who want something simple but classy. It frames the face nicely and works well with glasses too. The third style is the shoulder length layered cut. If you don't want very short hair, this is a great option. Layers add movement and make grey hair look soft and shiny. You can keep it straight, slightly wavy or even curl the ends for special occasions. This style is elegant and very feminine. Another beautiful idea is the soft shag haircut. A shag cut has light layers all around. It gives volume and texture. This style is perfect if you want a modern and trendy look. It works very well for naturally wavy or slightly curly grey hair. It also hides thin areas and gives a fuller appearance. Next is the classic short bob. This is a very neat and clean haircut. It is easy to wash and dry. Many women who are over 50 love this style because it saves time and still looks smart. Grey hair with a short crop looks bold and confident. If you like longer hair, you can try long grey layers. Keeping the length but adding layers helps remove heaviness. It keeps the hair looking healthy. You can part it in the middle or on the side. A side part gives extra volume or softness to the face. Now let's talk about bangs. Adding soft bangs or side bangs can change your whole look. Bangs can hide forehead line and make you look younger. Side swept bangs are very popular because they are easy to manage and suit almost every face shape. When choosing a haircut, always think about your face shape and hair texture. If your hair is thin, go for layers to create volume. Thanks for watching. See you again.